Are you looking for the best hydrogen water bottles? Hydrogen water bottles have moved from novelty to practical hydration devices for health-conscious consumers. By generating hydrogen-rich water on the go, they aim to provide antioxidant benefits, improved hydration, and convenient access to hydrogen-enriched water during activity, travel, and daily routines. This comparison assesses 5 models across a price spectrum from budget to premium.
Product number 1, 2025 New Hydrogen Water. Overview. This Sejuk model represents a premium offering in the lineup, leveraging SPE and PEM electrolysis to achieve up to 2200 ppb hydrogen concentration within a 3-minute cycle. It uses a detachable glass body with a borosilicate structure, a 1500 mAh battery, and a 16-ounce capacity. The device emphasizes a quiet operation, a color-changing status LED, and a bottom exhaust design intended to minimize chlorine and impurity presence via vapor separation. The instruction notes a bottom-to-top twist for seal breaking, then removal of an aluminum seal prior first use, signaling a premium build with attention to hygienic preparation and maintenance. Performance-wise, the combination of SPE and PEM and a glass vessel suggests strong chemical stability with up to 2200 ppb achievable in a relatively short 3-minute cycle. The 16-ounce capacity makes it suitable for gym sessions or office hydration, and the 1500 mAh battery implies multiple cycles per charge, roughly 15 to 16 uses per charge under typical conditions. User experience benefits include a simple 1-button operation, a visual LED indicator, and a detachable bottle for cleaning. On the downside, the glass construction increases fragility in high-mobility scenarios, outdoor sports, or commuting, and the initial setup requiring the aluminum seal removal could be off-putting for some users.
Product number 2, Hydrogen Water Bottle Overview. Bevec offers a budget-friendly option delivering up to 3000 ppb in a compact 2x2x2-inch form factor. It emphasizes quick 3-minute electrolysis using SPE/PEM and notes features such as a simple press-to-operate action and a blue indicator light. The device prioritizes portability and affordability, positioning itself as an entry-level hydrogen water solution for everyday use, travel, or office hydration. The design relies on a battery-powered mechanism and a basic build, with emphasis on ease of cleaning via screw-off top and bottom components and an EVA pad at the bottom for stability. Performance-wise, achieving 3000 ppb per use is ambitious for a budget unit, and the user experience benefits from straightforward operation and a compact footprint. The flexible compatibility with mineral water, alkaline water, and tap water broadens use cases, though the warning not to use juice, milk, or tea remains important for hygiene and taste. The device's low price makes it attractive for gift-giving or trial, but long-term durability and consistent ppb output under frequent use could be variable given the minimalistic construction. Cleaning is aided by removable top and bottom parts, but the absence of a detailed battery life spec.
Product number 3, 2025 New Hydrogen Water Overview. Zhifan expands the form factor with a 420 milliliter, 14-ounce capacity and SPE/PEM-driven hydrogen generation. It claims the ability to electrolysis all water types, including purified and distilled water, without producing chlorine due to ion membrane technology. The bottle uses borosilicate glass as the primary vessel material, with detachable ends for cleaning, a sealing ring, and a robust portability profile. The device targets travelers and active users seeking a mid-sized bottle that balances capacity, glass construction, and performance in a compact 2.5 by 2.5 by 7.5-inch footprint. In terms of performance, the claim of 1000 to 1600 ppb in 3 minutes via SPE/PEM with an ion membrane is competitive for a glass bottle, offering clean taste and reduced contaminants compared to plastic containers. The 3-minute cycle is a reasonable target for on-the-go hydration, and the glass design improves perceived purity and longevity, especially for gym or outdoor use. Usability notes include a bottom blue indicator light, detachable ends for cleaning, and a security seal to prevent leaks. However, the product's corded design in the specs suggests a potential mismatch with the portable, cordless expectation. Users should verify if a
Product number 4. Hydrogen Water Bottle Generator. Overview. Fuoc offers a 2-pack bundle with SPE-PEM technology targeting value-conscious buyers who want multiple units for family or shared use. The design emphasizes a glass bottle with stainless steel accents and a one-button operation capable of generating hydrogen-enriched water in a 3-minute cycle. The bundle approach makes it attractive for households or gym groups seeking synchronized hydration devices. USB charging is supported, and the product claims a transparent build for monitoring water quality, with a portable design suitable for travel and office use. Performance-wise, the 3-minute cycle aligns with other SPE-PEM devices, and the glass construction with metal accents suggests durability and a premium feel. The 2-pack allows simultaneous use across 2 people, but the practicalities of charging 2 units and cleaning 2 bottles require disciplined maintenance. The juice here is in value and practicality for households or shared spaces, but there is limited detail on individual.
Product number 5. 2025 Upgrade Hydrogen Overview. WIA markets a 420 milliliter bottle featuring SPE-PEM technology and a borosilicate glass build. This model emphasizes everyday hydration across office, travel, and fitness scenarios, with a focus on 1800 ppb output per cycle. The design supports USB charging and claims 15 to 20 uses per charge, which translates to solid daily utility for most users. The bottle's detachable lid and base facilitate cleaning, and the 14-ounce capacity aligns with typical single-serve hydration routines. In use, 1800 ppb is a robust figure for a mid-priced unit, offering meaningful antioxidant potential without venturing into premium concentrations. The product highlights include a focus on gut-friendly mixing with alkaline water compatibility and a recommended beverage type restriction. Avoid juice, milk, tea. The practical trade-offs include the need to ensure a tight seal after cleaning to prevent leakage and reliance on carb-free beverages to maintain performance.